Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, isa na namang private resort ang ipapakilala namin sa inyo. So welcome to Rechel's Private Resort located dito sa may Cabalantian, Bacolor, Pampanga. If you wanna know more about this, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! So ang resort na to ay may tatlong main section. So una is yung parang pinaka-recreational area natin. So meron siyang billiards, pool, table tennis. In the middle is swimming pool area natin. So yung swimming pool area natin has for adults, for kids, at saka jacuzzi. Now, the third part is this area. This is the main villa. So nandito tayo ngayon sa parang pinaka living room, and then upstairs is 3 bedrooms. Now let me tour you first dito sa living area natin, and then balik tayo sa taas. Okay, so let's start here sa may living room area natin. Notice guys, ang design is very industrial and rustic. So you got heavy dark colors and bricks, wood and metal. So yun yung parang pinaka-accent ng room na to. Large LCD TV. Meron din tayong display for some art collections. Sofa natin facing the television. Leatherized naman siya. Now, moving forward, dito meron tayong table for dining. On this section, meron din tayong refrigerator, sink, cabinets, stove. Now, what I like about this place, this particular section ng villa na to, while you're having your dinner here or enjoying a movie, once in a while, you can actually glance yung mga naliligo. For example, kasama natin yung mga bata dito. May pagkakataon tayo na silipin pa rin sila dito dahil nga overview yung swimming pool area natin. Coming in dito sa one of 3 bedrooms nila dito, this is their master's bedroom. So meron tayong dalawang large bed, additional mattresses, and then dito sa likod niya actually, meron tayong balcony overlooking yung parang pinaka empty space pa dito. Now at the same time, meron din siyang sariling comfort room. In dito sa second room, dito sa second floor, is a single bed naman. So this is perfectly fit for couple and view of the nature. Yun guys, so this is going to be the last bedroom naman dito sa second floor. Similar dun sa first bedroom natin, it has 2 beds. Additionally, you can use yung mattresses dito if you wanna extend yung mga gustong matulog dito. However, this room doesn't have its own comfort room and a balcony for the nature's view. Very spacious, napaka-elegant na design. So sa vlog na to guys, kasama namin ang mga dati namin kasamahan sa trabaho. So I've worked previously sa Sutherland, and sila yung kasama namin sa staycation na. Hi boss. So mga nakakalala sa kanila mga boss na lahat to. Ayan, no? Boss na lang din eh. Guys, this is the last of the 3 spaces that you're gonna enjoy dito po sa Rechel's Private Resort, yung recreational area nila. So in here, meron tayong billiards table, table tennis, pool, and a little section for kids right over here. Now, we really enjoyed the time. Napakalaki ng space. For only 17,000 pesos, you're gonna enjoy entire place. Invite as many as you can dahil hindi naman po sila strict dun sa number of mga people that you can actually invite to go here. If you're interested to know more about this, you gotta check out the number we're gonna be including in the caption below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out Rechel's Private Resort. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next discovery, peace out.